Scientists just proved time can flow backward. And it changes everything about reality. What if the past and future are happening at the same time? Everything you've been taught about time might be wrong. We think time moves in one direction, from past to future. That's called the arrow of time. But in 2023, scientists discovered something shocking about quantum time. At the smallest level of reality, time might go forward, backward, or both at the same time. And this isn't science fiction. This is real physics. What is time really? Here's the truth: physics can measure time perfectly. Atomic clocks are insanely accurate. But there's one problem: we still don't know what time actually is. We only understand how it behaves. And the most important rule? Time moves forward because of something called entropy. The arrow of time explained. Entropy means disorder. Things fall apart, not together. Ice melts. It doesn't unmelt, you age. You don't grow younger. That's why time feels like a one-way street. For over 100 years, scientists believed this rule could never be broken. But then, the 2023 quantum experiment. In 2023, physicists ran a mind-blowing experiment. They worked with tiny particles of light, called photons. And they used something called quantum superposition. This means a particle can exist in multiple states at once, like being in two places at the same time. But here's where it gets crazy: they applied this idea to time itself. Time moving both ways. The result? The particles existed in a state where, in one version, time moved forward. In another version, time moved backward. And both were happening at the same time. This means, the arrow of time is not fixed at the quantum level forward and backward. Time are both real only when we observe it. Does time choose a direction? Why we experience only forward time? So why don't you experience time going backward? Because of something called decoherence. When quantum particles interact with the real world, their multiple possibilities collapse into one reality, and that's when time appears to move forward. Some scientists even believe time is not fundamental, it's just something that emerges at large scales. Can the past change? Retrocausality. Now here's the wildest idea: what if the future can affect the past? This is called retrocausality. Experiments show that a decision made now can influence what happened before. That means, the past might not be fully fixed. What this means for reality? Think about this for a second. Right now, your brain feels like time is moving forward. But at the quantum level, there is no clear past or future. Only possibilities. Some scientists say time might be an illusion created by our brain. The big implication: if quantum time works like this, then time travel might not be impossible. Cause and effect may not always be fixed. Reality is far stranger than we thought. And we are just beginning to understand it. Conclusion: so next time you think about time, remember this: the arrow of time may not be real. Quantum time doesn't follow your rules. The future and past might exist together. And maybe you're not just moving through time. You're already inside it, in every direction.